Hey, so back again. I'm now going to be taking you through a PowerPoint presentation that I found on Slideshare. This one is called The I in Experience, helping people choose their own adventure. So, we, the post-digital people, can you enterprise survive the tech clash? The I in Experience, AI and me, the dilemma of smart things, robots in the wild, and innovation DNA. Enterprises are becoming collaborative partners in experience creation, not just providers of it. And look, they talk a little bit about McDonald's. Personally, I love McDonald's. Actually, no, I take that back. Their fries are a little bit thin for me. Personally, I am a hardcore Taco Bell fan. But if I'm craving fries, I'm going to Wendy's either way. So sorry, McDonald's, but their breakfast slaps. I mean, it's really good. It's really good. Moving on. So yeah, this is an important shift as companies increases their personalization efforts. 67%. That is more than half. 17% and 24%. They think that things are ethical, but people have questions about personalization methods and business use. So very few people believe that this is ethical. Enterprises are recognizing that overly prescribed customization leaves users feeling out of control. So true. I definitely feel like I'm being watched. And by feel, I mean I know I am. So that sucks, but there's nothing we can do about it. It's out of our control. So might as well just fall into it, enjoy the personalized ads. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, leaders are turning to a new experience model that increase user participation, cooperative experiences. Dating app Tinder. Tinder. No comment. And yeah, but this is it. Look, we got some cute little pink and purple. Little boys taking a picture of something. Whoa. Goggles. Building. White background, blue lettering. Okay, kind of giving some Black Eyed Peas realness. You know, that 2005 big, though that's a VR set, not sunglasses. Okay, then we got all this, decision points, some different highlights of it, and thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.